In this video, we'll look into SQL question and answer part 19. So, first question would be check what is the identity value, current identity value. So, let us create a table. SQLBasics.dbo.test3. We'll have emp ID here. And not null. And identity with identity emp name, take care of 50 null. So let us execute this. Right click tables, refresh. Go down, we have a test3 table, columns ID, int not null, and name varchar of 50 not null. Now insert into SQLBasics.dbo.test3. So emp ID is identity column, so it will automatically be generated. So we enter only the emp name. A. Then we'll enter B and C also. 3 records. And go. The values here. Values. Values. So values ABC. Execute. Now select star from this table. SQLBasics.dbo.test3. Get it? We got 1, 2, 3. We have entered only ABC, and because emp ID is identity column, 1, 2, 3 has been entered automatically. Now let us check what is the current identity column. For that we say select set identity. If I execute this, so it says 3 is the current identity column because there are 3 records and this emp ID is identity column, so there are 3 identity. So select at identity is giving us 3. That's how we can find out the current identity value. Next question would be to list all databases. So we have databases here. So we have all these databases here. So let us list all databases here. Select R from this dot databases. This dot databases gives us the list of all databases. Execute. So these are the databases that are there. We can order by name. If I select this, so it is giving it in the order by name list. So these are all the databases that are there. That's how you can list the databases by this dot databases. Next question would be list all tables in a database. We can select the database by use SQL basics. Use SQL basics means we are selecting the SQL basics database. Suppose we are somewhere in Adventure Works 2017. Now I say use SQL basics. We shifted to SQL basics. That's how we can use the SQL basics and select star from this dot tables. Execute this. So these are all the tables and these are the IDs for those tables. And order by name. We can see these are all ordered by names. These are all the tables that are there in this database. All are user tables and their creation date, the modified date, and a whole lot of information on these tables are there in sys tables. Now we can as well find all the tables using select star from information underscore schema dot is the tables here. So if you say select star from information underscore schema dot tables, you got these table names and these are the base tables. And if there are any views, it will display the views too. So in information schema dot tables, tables means including the views also. So it is showing both tables and views. That's how you can list all tables in a database. Next question would be list all objects in a database. List all objects in a database. Select star from this dot objects. If I execute this, we got these sys dot objects. These are all system objects. So starting with the SYS, and this is the object ID, and this is the object type, which is a system table. And if you want just the user objects, you can just say where type is equal to u. That will give us user objects, and we can eliminate these system objects because system objects start with SYS. So you can say where name is not like this percent. where we already have where here, so and name not like execute. So we have these objects, and these are only user tables. You can see all the tables in the current because I am in SQL Basics. We have all the objects in the SQL Basics. If you want to see different types of objects that are there, you can just display this. Select type comma type underscore from this dot objects. We can say distinct, so that we will have distinct this dot objects. I just execute this, so we'll order by type underscore this. So IT is internal table, primary constraint, sequence object, service queue, inline tables, scalar function, stored procedure, system table, type table, unique constraint, user table, and view. So and these are the abbreviations for those. So these are all the objects that are there in this database. That's how we can find the different types of objects from sys.objects. If you like the video, please subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button. For notifications on upcoming videos, please click on the bell icon.